Welcome back, guys. In today's video I will show you everything you need to know to get started with Google Slides. At the end of this video I will also give you some extra bonus, so stick with me until the end of this video. Now let's get started. To access Google Slides, you have to be logged into your Google account, and then if you head to your Drive and then click on New, you can then come and click on Google Slides. Now if you click on this icon right here, you will be on a Slides home. And from here you can see also there are a template gallery, similar as with other Google products. Now if you click on this gallery, you see options here where you can choose from. Okay, if there is anything that you like, the designs or layouts that you like, you can start and take and edit one of these templates. For the purpose of today's video, we're going to be using a blank template, so let's just click on the blank. So that's how your Google Slides will load and look like. On the side here, you can choose the theme for your presentation. If you struggle and you don't really like any of these themes, just bear with me and I will show you where you can get so much more awesome looking themes for your Google Slides. Now to get started, we always need to save our file and give it a name so we can find it on your Drive. So let's call it as presentation 1. Now you can see your file gets automatically saved on Drive, and if you click on this icon, you can also see this document is ready for offline use. Now for you to be able to use your Google Drive documents, including slides, offline, you have to come on your Drive and then click on the settings, and then if you scroll down here, you will see offline. By default, it will not be enabled, so you have to enable it yourself. And then once you are offline without any internet, without any Wi-Fi connection, you can still work on your files and it's gonna get saved and updated once you are back online. Now from here you can move your slide to your folder. If you would like to create a new folder, you can click on this icon right here and let's call it Slides, and then click on this tick box, and then you can move a file to this folder. You can also start the file if you would like to find it more easier on your Drive. Now, so this is your first slide. You can see currently you have one slide. Now if you click on this icon right here, it will just gonna add a new slide and it will be the same blank. If you want to see the templates on the theme you are working, you need to click on this drop down button right here, and then you can choose which of these layouts you would like to apply. Let me just add one more slide. So now you see you have 3 slides in total. You can also change this view to the grid view, okay, so you can see all the slides you have so far. Now let's go back and just use this view so we can start editing. To edit the text, you have already boxes here, so you can just simply click and start typing your text right here. If you want to add more text layers, you can come back. You can come up on this text box. If you click on it and then just drag, you can create a new layer for your text. Once you have entered some text, you can come up here and start formatting this text. So you can have fonts to choose from, font sizes, and more editing options are here. Similarly as it is with Google Sheets, with Google Docs, okay, so you can change your text color, you can add a link, you can also add comment, align it, set up the spacing if you want to use some number list and so on. And then you can also clear off all the formatting that you have previously done. Now the feature I use a lot and like is if you have one element and let's say we have changed the text, we're gonna apply some more formatting on this particular text layer. Okay, so let me just randomly put something, and then you have another text right here. Okay, so if you select the element with the formatting, then come on this icon right here, paint format, and then you can just apply this on the text you have selected. Okay, so this works from element to element. Okay, so if you have done formatting on one, you don't have to go and repeat on another slide. You can just paste it with this paint format tool from here. So if you go on the insert tab right here, you can see what you can insert within your slides. So these are images. You can upload images directly from your computer. You can search them on web. You can access your Drive photos, embed by URL, or take a screenshot directly with your computer camera. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna be searching from the web this time. I just search for some flower image. Once you have selected the image, you can then click on insert and it will be added to your slide. So if you select your image, then from here again you can add text on your image and you can replace this image with something else. You can reset this image, you can crop it, and if you click on this menu here, you can have more format options, meaning that you can work on its image size, rotation, position, and so on. You can also recolor it, apply some of the options that Google is giving you right here, make some adjustments, or even use a drop, a shadow, or a reflection effects if that's something you would like to. So from the insert menu, you can also add some audios or videos on your slide. So to add audio, it would have to be uploaded to your drive. So I currently don't have any audios on my drive. That's why it's not displaying. So you can't really directly insert audio. You would have to upload audio first on your drive. Now with the videos, you can again search in YouTube. You can search by URL. You can just directly paste YouTube video URL here or upload your own videos from your drive. You can also insert some shapes, tables, charts, diagrams, anything really you would like to display on your slide. So inserting table is really simple. You just drag how many rows and cells you would like to. Now another feature I use a lot is Explore, and if you click on Explore, it lets you to search anything within your document and web. So again, if I would search something such as flowers, it will show me web results, images, and what I can find related on my drive. So it actually pulls up one of the Google sites I have built. Maybe there is some flower image in between or any text that relates to the flowers. Okay, so you can explore with one tab overall your drive and the web as well, and then just select what you would like to use from it. Now, if you would like to share your presentation with somebody else, you can come here, click on the share. Currently, this is showing the lock key. It's private only to me. So you can add some more people and you can give them permission. So editor means that this person you are sharing the file with, your slides with, your presentation with, will be able to make changes. Commenter mode lets them to only add suggestions without making changes to your file. And viewer mode lets only to preview the file. So you can select the right permission and then just click on send. Now, once you have done with your presentation and you would like to see how it looks like, you can click on the slideshow and then it will just start showing your presentation and you can move throughout your slides. So to exit this, you can just simply click on escape button. Now, if you have done your presentation and you have added some notes, you can add your speaker notes right here. These are my notes, and nobody else will see these notes apart from you as a presenter. Now, if you come back on the slideshow tab right here and click on this drop down, you can see presenter view. So if you click on the presenter view, you will see that you have your notes and you see your slides. So it opens in two tabs. Okay, so this is your presentation and here is your presenter view where you can see your notes. These notes will be displaying the way how you set them up for each particular slide, and you can also see the timer, which I think is very handy feature just for you to stay on time with your presentation. Another great feature here, when you are in presenter mode, you can see audience tools. So you can start audience questions and answers from here. Okay, if you click on start new, all the questions your audience will gonna ask you, if you on here accepting your questions, this is the link they can use to submit their questions. All the questions will appear here, and at any point you want to off it, you can also just off it and you won't see any new questions coming in. Okay, so this is the way how you can see your presentation along your speaker notes. Now, if you need to save or download your file, if you come on file right here, you can download in several file formats. Okay, so you can just download it as images, as a plain text, PDF, or even SVG files as a scalable vector graphics if needed. You can also convert this and download as a Microsoft PowerPoint. So these are the basic functions, basic things you should know before you start working with Google Slides. Now, if you want me to do more advanced tutorial exploring all the features right here, I can definitely do that. Just let me know down below in the comments. Now, the one thing is to know and how to use all these features and how to design and how to create your slides. However, you might feel that you are quite limited in Teams and you just would like, something a bit more advanced. So there are several options how you can get another Teams within your Google Slides. So one of them is to go canva.com. I will leave a canva.com link in this video description. Canva does have a premium paid version. If you use a link down below in this description, you can use a Canva Premium Pro version free for 30 days. So if you come on templates and then come on under business presentations, you see you have over 6,000 templates you can use. So let me just click on one of these and then customize this template. And then under this tab right here, if you click on the share, go down to the download, and then you can select SVG file. Okay, it will be a premium feature. And then if you download this file, and then if you head back to your Google Slides, if you come under the file and click on import slides, you can import slides individually, or if you come here and import theme, then you can upload and select files from your computer and upload entire theme. Now, alternatively to canva.com, there are other two websites I would like to show you, and that's slidesgo.com and Slides Carnival. So if you choose one of these themes, so let's say I just like this theme, and then you come here, you can go to preview and download, and you can actually download directly to be used on your Google Slides. So if you click on Google Slides, it will just ask you to make a copy of this presentation to your Drive. If you come on Slides to Go, again, if you click on this presentation on this template, you can directly download it to Google Slides. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you get an overview on how to get started with Google Slides. If you do have any questions, please let me know them by typing them down below in the comments section. I would love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more advanced tutorials about how to use Google Slides or any other Google product, then do subscribe and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we upload new videos, and we do so every single week. Thank you so much for watching. Now go ahead and watch this video as the next one, and I will see you there.